And welcome back. Let's install Git for Windows. For this, we pick the official Git for Windows downloader, which we find via Google. After you click on the first result, it starts to download immediately. I'll close this because I've already downloaded it. And let's start the installer. This is the usual text and terms you'll see if you install software. Hit next here. Just leave the default directory. Here we also leave everything. Yes, we want to call it Git. What is this? Here you can choose your default editor, which would be used for editing the .git configuration files. In our case, because we use Sublime Text, we will also select Sublime Text here. Oh, what happened now? The next button got disabled. Just hit back and next, and you get the next button enabled again. Seems like a little bug, but it worked this way. Here you can choose where you want to install the git command for. I would highly recommend to choose this option. This makes also the git command available in your Windows command prompt. You have also the option use git for git bash only, because with this installer also the git bash get installed. And the last one, you see here a red alert. You shouldn't choose this because you have to be really sure what you're doing. So we just leave the second option and go with this one. Yes, we also want to use the OpenSSL library and check out Windows style commit Unix style line endings. What does this mean? Well, if you work on a project which would be mainly built with a Unix-like system like Mac or Linux, you would have problems because Windows stores the line endings in a different way than a Unix machine would do it. So you want to choose the first option here. This will also make it for you possible to work on files which were built up with Unix style systems. So hit next here. Yes, we also want to use this min-tty terminal because it's default mode. Yes, we also want to enable the file caching and the credential manager. This is a very useful tool for Git. And no, we just don't want any experience by now. Just hit install. So let me fast forward this for you that you don't have to wait. Alright, it's finished now. Though we don't want to view the release notes, hit finish. Let me close this. And now let's look if Git gets installed properly. By hitting the command git -- version, you will see the installed Git version on your system. Alright, Git version 2.19.1.Windows.1. Looks like that it worked. Now to really be sure that this has already worked, let's clone a repo. I will choose one repo which I made. And let's go with the shopping cart. I hit the copy to clipboard icon. Let me minimize this. And now let's move into the directory which I already prepared. Into git demo and git clone. Right click would automatically paste the link in the command prompt. Hit enter. And alright, it worked. Now let's change into this directory and let us make a little change so that we can commit it. cd is actually the command for changing into a directory and not git. I open it with my Visual Studio Code. Now let's make a little change. Get it done today. This seems to be really important. Adding 3 exclamation marks. So let me save this and close it again. And now let's check via git status. Right, modified index.html. Now let's add it to our commit list. With git add dot your edit and git commit -m add exclamation marks. Can't type today. Alright, and now let's try to push it and try it out if it really works as expected. Git push origin master. And alright, it seems to be worked. Let's double check it in my repo. Let me refresh this. Alright, add exclamation marks with an exclamation mark because it's really important. 26 seconds ago. Looked like it worked. And this is how you install Git on Windows. In the next lecture we're gonna talk about how to install Node.js on your Windows machines. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.